I have so many people ask, where do I start my home buying journey? Everything seems more expensive than I can afford. I don't really know where to begin. If you are asking yourself these questions, stick around. Let's journey through preparing to purchase your home, whether it's the first time or the 90th time. Situations always change. So let's get into it. But first, welcome to Table Talks. If you don't know by now, I am Carla, a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with tips and ideas surrounding the subject. If you have a question, reach out to me on social media at Selling Dwelling CO or at LinkedIn and my website of Carla Knight Homes. I will get back to you directly on your certain situation and possibly make a video to expand on tips and ideas where to go with it. So let's get into it. Your journey to purchase a home can be winding through different situations. The best way for any project, and I call it a project because purchasing a home is a project. It can be smooth and exciting and a joy as you move into your new place, but with a little pre-organization before you seriously start looking can be fantastic. If you're watching this video, you are probably already looking. But if you haven't gotten your financial house in order, how much do you know? How much can you afford? Do you know what your credit score looks like? How about your debt income ratio? Or are you familiar with the different kinds of loans that you can use to purchase? Of course, the first stop on the highway to homeownership is with a mortgage broker. I prefer brokers because they have access to lending programs across the spectrum. Credit unions and banks have some of the same programs, but throughout the industry, qualifications may be slightly different. It is in your best interest to speak to several different lenders to be sure that who you're choosing is right for you. Get to know your mortgage individual, such as are they working as a broker or a traditional lender, or both. Some banks work as a traditional lender and a broker at the same time. You should check on who you're considering working with at the National Association of Mortgage Brokers or the Better Business Bureau. If you would like a referral, I have several mortgage professionals who can run scenarios, help you understand the fees, and are able to give you a budget to get started on what would be in a comfortable monthly payment. No worries about damaging your credit. If you have a number of pulls on your credit for this project, it's not going to hurt your credit report if you complete the purchase. Be comfortable with your mortgage person. You will be showing them your full financial portfolio and then some. If there are things that come up with an initial look, you should also receive a roadmap to move forward with preparing for a qualification to buy. It might take you a little time to get your financial portfolio in order, but it is worth the effort to prepare. Take the shortcut. Call me for 3 qualified individuals who can give you a mortgage review, and with that, you will receive my exclusive lender interview cheat sheet. Look like a pro yourself when you're interviewing your lender and with questions to ask and things that you may not know that you need to know. So as always, reach out with questions. And if you're thinking about it, others are as well as far as questions go. So have a great day.